Hello my friends, my bushcraft community friends. I just wanted to show you something here. I'm back here and I'm bringing the wife and kids out here in a few days. So an important commodity for a wife, at least my wife, is a crapper. I tried to tell her that, she said, where's she going to go crap? I said, in the woods. That didn't go over very well. It didn't go over very well at all. So she said, I ain't going anywhere unless you build me a shitter. So today that's what we're going to do. We're going to build a shitter. So here we are today. What I've done is I've dropped this poplar tree. You can see it cut down there. It split on me. Piece of okay, I'll try not to swear so much. But it split on me. So what I've done is I've whacked it off. No pun intended. Anyways, 8-foot sections here. So, that being said, we're going to make some boards. And how do we make boards? Well, this is what I've done. I've took my chainsaw here. I've took angle iron at 30 inches long and welded square tubing to the ends. And then what I did is I put U-bolts on this round pole, 1-inch pole, and then I've welded these plates to the end. And if we flip this thing up here, you can see that in there I welded some metal plates in there to kind of sandwich between the bar, so the chain will have freely to go around it. So that way I can rest the top of the log on this, and then I can measure my depth here to cut the top of the log off, and that way it'll run smooth through it. That being said, I just made this, so we'll see how it turns out. I think the best thing to do would be to make sure the log is smooth. Get as many of these knots off as you can. You can see here. I've done the same thing here. I've chopped them off so that it's smooth, so that when I put I guess the platform we'll call it, on top, it will run smoothly through. So let's see if I can't, I should get a camera here maybe one day, and that way we could do this better. But let's see if I can get this set up a bit, and we can I can tape this for you guys and you guys can see. I'm trying to rest this on a stump here for you. Can we see? If I go like this, put some chunks of wood behind it. There we go. Well, mind you, this thing's heavy now. Not that this this MS 391 wasn't heavy before, but let me tell you, she's heavy now. It seems to me that it's catching on this knot here. You see how it's biting on the bottom of it. I may have to raise this up so I'm not taking such a big chunk through, because you can see it's catching on the board here. So I made these things so they're adjustable, so you can raise it up so I won't take such a hunk out of it. So I'll be riding up here more, and that way I'll probably be able to catch it. I made this bigger for a 3-foot bar for a 2-person operation, but as you see, it's just me. So, but I guess that's the way I like it, kind of doing this stuff by myself. So anyways, I'll raise that up, and I'll take a picture, and we'll see how it goes, and hopefully I can cut some boards off here, and we'll go from there. But as you see, she cuts pretty good. It would cut better if I got a skip tooth chain, which I do have for the 3-foot bar for the 2-man operation, but I do not have one for this little. I think that bar is just is it just an 18-inch bar? Yeah, I think it's just an 18-inch bar. So, anyways, not a bad little operation though. Anyways, be safe, my friends, and God bless.